Welcome guys, hope you're doing fine, enjoying my videos, and as you can see here, I have another question on the board. So it's another solve for our next question. So we have a cubic equation, or precisely a depressed cubic equation. A depressed cubic is basically a cubic equation or a cubic polynomial which does not have an x squared term. You can't see an x squared term here, right? So that's basically what a depressed cubic is, and they're kind of interesting because they do have a direct formula, but it's not interesting to apply. It's not something you can practically do to find the roots every time. So here it is. You have to solve this without using the depressed cubic or the Cardano's formula for solving a depressed cubic. So when I first saw this on a YouTube video, well, I didn't plan to solve it, but later I got a brilliant idea to solve it, and it was pretty straightforward actually, as you're gonna see now. So first you just split it. It's as simple as factorizing a quadratic, except you have to figure out how to factorize it. And you need to know a specific identity. So first we just write it as, we just split it basically. X cubed minus 3x minus root 3x plus 3. So first you have, as you can notice, this is like, if you try to factorize this, you'll kind of get something like x minus root 3, and this is just x squared minus 3 into x, which can be factorized further because x squared minus 3 can be written as x plus root 3 into x minus root 3, and it's almost over. You just have to factorize it and then take stuff common. And as you can see, you have x squared minus 3 common here, and here you have x minus root 3. So again, you can take x minus root 3 common, as you can see here, using a plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared identity. So doing that, you have this. You're just splitting it basically, and then now you just distribute this x. You just take the x inside basically, and then you take x minus root 3 common, and then you just add them all. So you have x squared plus root 3x, right? Minus root 3 is equal to 0. Now, an obvious solution would just be x is root 3, and that's pretty common. Like, you can just look at this initial equation and then you'd probably just be thinking of something like root 3. It's pretty trivial and clear to think about it. So root 3 was something I got just by looking at this equation, but this is how you actually solve for x. So you have x is equal to root 3, and then you take the other quadratic, and quadratics are easy to solve. All you have to do is just use the formula minus b plus or minus root b squared minus 4ac by 2a, and a is generally 1, so you just have 2 in the denominator, as you can see here, and then those are our final set of roots. So you just have root 3 minus of root 3 plus root 3 plus 4 root 3 by 2, and root of 3 plus 4 root 3 minus root 3 by 2. And those are your 3 roots. All done in no time. So very interesting but trivial question. So thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more such content. See you next time. Bye bye.